Uh-huh. I've been grinding so long, been trying to for years, and I got nothing to show, just climbing this rope right here. And if there's a man upstairs, he kept bringing me rain, but I've been sending up prayers and something's changed. I think I finally found my hallelujah. I've been waiting for this moment all my life. Now all my dreams are coming true, yeah. I've been waiting for this moment. It's good to be alive right about now. Right about now, I almost can't. Can I handle it? I could get used to this. I almost can't. Can I handle it? I could get used to this. I think I finally found right about now.